Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About tan x, we need to change into sin x over cosine x. Secant of x we change by 1 over cosine x. Cosine x with cosine x we simplify and you got about sin x. The integration of sin x, we have negative cosine x and we put about c. That's e about the constant. Now let's go to the next one. About cotang x, this one that's e about cosine x over sin x. Cosecant of x, we have 1 over sin x. We simplify sin x, so we just have only cosine x. The integration of cosine x, we have sin x and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.